Want to know how to install a bathroom towel bar?
Yes!
In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to do it yourself. Hi, my name is Kim with Kimagine DIY, where I hope to help you imagine the possibilities with DIYs and crafts. If that sounds like fun, consider subscribing. Now let's just jump right into this project. Here are the materials that I used: a screw gun with a Phillips bit, drill bits, a stud finder, pencil, some blue tape, self-leveling laser, and a hammer. Here I'm unboxing the Bennington 4-piece bathroom hardware set. I was actually impressed with how it was packaged. There was no two metal pieces really coming in contact with each other. Every single piece of hardware was completely wrapped, so I was very impressed with that. Every hardware piece came with its own mount, drywall screws, an Allen key, and anchors. Now it's time to install the double towel bar. According to Google, the height recommendation for a towel bar install is about 48 inches from the floor. Normally for a towel bar install, especially a double towel bar, you're going to want to at least find one stud to put it in. I'm using my stud finder and just some blue tape to mark everything the stud finder is picking up. What I realized as I was doing this, on the other side of the wall is actually my AC unit, so there's a bunch of pipes in the wall as well as studs. It kind of looked a little bit crazy about how many things were in there. After I marked up everything, just to be safe, because I didn't know if it was going to be a pipe or a stud, I decided to just use the anchors for both brackets. Then you're going to measure the center of each mounting bracket while it's in the towel bar. I know the width I need to make my towel bar is actually going to be 23.5. With my install, I decided to center it, to float it in between all these potential pipes and studs because I couldn't tell them apart. So using my self-leveling laser, I had it centered to where I wanted it to be, and then I divided my 23 inches in half to measure one line and then the other side. So here are my 2 points, which you can't see by pencil. Then I moved my laser level over one of them just to get the vertical line, and use your pencil to mark all your holes. And do it again for the other side. When you're going to drill into a stud, you want to create a pilot hole so it is a guide for your wood screw to go in straight. When picking your drill bit, you want to pick one big enough to cover most of the main shaft of the screw, but small enough so the drill bit does not cover any part of the teeth. And then used a small drill bit to drill the pilot hole right in the center. If your stud finder does not hit a stud, then you need to open the hole with a larger drill bit. You want your drill bit to be as wide as the main thickness of your anchor, not including the teeth. Then you can widen the holes with your new drill bit. Next, you will need to hammer your anchors in, and then you can screw your mounting bracket into the wall. So then just grab your drywall screw and your mounting bracket. I always like to screw the top one in first, that's just my preference. But remember, don't screw it in all the way so you can adjust your mounting bracket, and screw the bottom one in most of the way. Then you can center your bracket if you'd like, and then tighten both screws. And we just do that same process for both sides. So then we're just gonna grab the Allen key and loosen that small screw. And then my favorite part is tightening up that tiny Allen screw with my tiny Allen key that is so flush to the wall that aggravates me every time I have to do it. When you're going to install the other side, you just want to make sure that you have your towel bar rods in as well, because you won't be able to fit them in after. So slide the rods in both sides, get them in nice and snug, and then you can feel and fit the bracket over the mounting bracket. And then just go through the same process of tightening up that tiny screw with your Allen key. And here's the double tower bar. I love it. It came out awesome.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, you can click the card right up here, or you can click right here for an entire playlist. And don't forget to watch the blooper at the end, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Oh, I'm totally flashing the laser. I don't know what to do with myself.